The ARMv8-M architecture from ARM is the one that has introduced this new concept TrustZone, which is aiming to create kind of isolation between the user-based application and the software or firmware that we trust. The ARMv8-M architecture is thus the result of the evolution of previous ARM architectures like ARMv7-M and ARMv6-M. In this new architecture, we have the support of Cortex-M33 microprocessor as well as Cortex-M23. The M23 and the M33 are just an implementation of the ARMv8-M architecture. The M23 version is just a light implementation or version of the Cortex-M33. Hence, it has limited capabilities as well as limited size compared to the M33. What is new about those processors is the support and the introduction of this ARM TrustZone. However, beside the introduction of this security-based TrustZone, we have some other and additional features added to the ARMv8-M architecture. So ARM was enhancing the performance on this new architecture, as you can see, and also trying to favorize and enhance the security compared to the previous architectures.